Hello, today I will discuss briefly about DevOps and as a DevOps engineer, what you should learn, and finally I will compare two most popular cloud frameworks that you can pick up to learn. So, what is DevOps? As its name suggests, DevOps is a combination of development and operations. Earlier, developer used to write code and another team, which is called operations team, they are responsible for deploying your application to the server and maintaining and managing your servers. But DevOps engineer actually brings both tasks, development and operations, in one umbrella. Goal: faster delivery, automation, stability, and collaboration. So they bridges the two teams, the development and operations team, in one umbrella and make the collaboration ease. Developers build features, ops team, which is called operations team, deploys and maintains servers. And finally, DevOps connects both sides, as I mentioned earlier. Automation. As a DevOps engineer, you should plan what you need to build. After planning session is completed, then the developers write code and build their code. After build is successful, it goes to testing phase. After test is successful, then it goes to release and deploy the build application to the desired server or desired environment. And after the deployment, the application will be operated and monitor the application's performance, such as how it manages load and how faster the requests are processed. Why DevOps important? Faster deployment, fewer production issues. Earlier, when the deployments were done manually, there were lots of issues used to face by the operations team and also the development team. Now, the DevOps made it easier because the deployment in the DevOps environment is automated. Scalability, it scales according to your needs. Reliable. And here, reliability means that in the DevOps environment, when you deploy your application, it manages, scales, manages load, and whether the application is out of network or is it actually performing the same way as the stakeholder desires. So it is actually more reliable in the DevOps environment, so it has increased the reliability. And of course, DevOps is a cloud native systems. Responsibilities of a DevOps engineer. A DevOps engineer is responsible for building CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD means continuous integration, which is a build phase, and CD means continuous deployment, which is a deployment phase. Automated deployments, monitoring, manage cloud infrastructure, container deployments and orchestration, security and secrets management, incident troubleshooting, collaboration with developers and architects, all are falling inside the responsibilities of a DevOps engineer. So, as I mentioned earlier, I will compare two most popular cloud platforms. Here, Azure and AWS are the most two popular cloud platforms in the software industry. So what you should pick? Basically, it's your choice. Learning one cloud makes learning the other easier. Cloud platform is different. However, fundamentals and principles of DevOps tasks are the same. Tools naming for both clouds are different. However, purpose are the same. Here are some tools comparisons of both the cloud platform. CI/CD. In AWS, it is called code pipeline, and Azure, it is called Azure DevOps. Container registry, which is actually useful for maintaining your Docker container. So in AWS, it is called Elastic Container Registry, ECR, and in Azure, it is called Azure Container Registry. Kubernetes, which is a container orchestration, which actually manages containers. AWS, it is called EKS, Elastic Kubernetes, and in Azure, it is called AKS, Azure Kubernetes. Virtual machines, in AWS, it is called EC2. That means it is an virtual machine instance, and in Azure, it is called Azure VM, Azure Virtual Machine. For monitoring, you have CloudWatch in AWS, and in Azure, you have Azure Monitor. Infrastructure as code for automating your infrastructure. In AWS, it is called CloudFormation, and in Azure, it is actually two tools available, which is ARM or Bicep. So you will write YAML code. For secrets management, in AWS, you have Secrets Manager, and in Azure, you have Key Vault, where you will store your secrets and use in your application or in your pipeline.